Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Renault keycard remote. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are quite a common one and available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side. We'll get straight into it. Not too bad to do this one. Okay, we've got a little grey button here. Just double check before we start that this keycard is the same as yours. So if we press in the little grey button, and that releases the emergency key. Now, should your remote fail, this key will get you in. The location of the lock varies from model to model, so that's something you need to check. So we'll just pop that down and we'll flip the key over. And here you can see in here, this is where your battery is housed. So if we just get a little small screwdriver and just carefully go in the edge there, and if we clip that up, can be a little bit stiff coming up, and there you go. That releases the back panel where the key is the key battery is housed rather, and your battery is here. The 2032 battery is placed in positive side up, and just carefully go in the top edge, and that releases the battery. Just be careful when you're taking it out, you don't break the plastic or the metal terminals there. Positive side of the battery is always the smooth side of the battery. The negative side always has a domed edge. Right, okay, we'll get the new battery and we're back in. So we'll just go in bottom edge first, positive side up, and then just give it a little wiggle and it clips back into place. Again, be careful with the plastic because it is just plastic. Just be gentle with it. Pick up the rear of the key, the panel, put that into place, and that should snap down back into place nicely. And then your emergency key will only go in one way, the same way it came out. Slide that in, lock that into place, and that is job done on your Renault keycard with a battery replacement. I hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.